Richard the cat. Ah, look at her little face. Yeah. Okay, kitty. We're gonna bring you downstairs to go cute kitty dog. We're going to save the day. Evil Captain Kitten. Evil Captain Kitten. Ah. Okay. Captain Kitten. No, Captain Kitten, no. Okay, well, we have to save the world from evil Captain Kitten. Keep her downstairs as long as possible. Here's a good girl. Good driver. Look, there's a skate. Whee! There's a giant letter E. She moved! No, she's running away! Catch the cat! Ah, we'll catch you! Ah, no escaping! See you. You'll never escape. No! I can't escape! No! There's no escape. Just walk away. Walk away. Walk away. There she goes. Captain Kitten. What is the report? Well, there's dust everywhere and it's dark. Oh no, it's getting about to get really dark. Turn on the light. Oop. There's Mrs. Kitten. Oh, there she goes. Okay. See what happens next in the next episode. The continuing adventures of Captain Kitten. Say goodbye, Captain Kitten. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. Meow. Somebody's on my screen. They talk. I think they posted a picture. Well, I'll see you later. There she is.